Ken McElroy here. Thank you for watching. So as you guys know, we go out to our community of subscribers and we say, what do you want to hear? And one of the things that, some of the emails that we get and some of the communication we got back is, how do I go from being in a job to being an investor? And it's a great question. It's a super hard transition based on, because a lot of people that are in jobs or in high paid jobs or low paid jobs, they're used to this paycheck, they're used to the comfort and all those things. And so we identified 4 things. The first one was, there's a difference between an employee mindset and an investor mindset. That's number 1. The second thing is the priorities versus the time allocation. And that's a big one because sometimes there's urgency as you get later on in life. And let's say, like right now, the majority of retirees, like over 30%, only have like $5,000 in the bank. And so clearly their priorities and their time allocations are different for somebody that's, say, in their 20s. And then there's the types of income. And generally, there's 2 types, the passive and the active. So active is a paycheck. That's something that you're actually working for and you're getting, and specifically getting a check for the work that you're doing. Passive is investing and actually getting free cash flow. So that's those are the 2 types. And then replacing your income. This is probably the biggest piece, in my opinion, because let's say I call it a burn rate. Let's say your monthly burn rate is $3,000 or $4,000 or $5,000 a month, or maybe $2,000, whatever it is. The goal should always be, how do you replace that? So your car payment, your rent, your house payment, your groceries, your insurances, and all those kinds of things. You know, how do you replace that with passive income? And that's more around your financial goal. And so these are all things that you have to consider if you're really serious about going from a job to an investor, because more than 80% of the people are sitting in jobs and they want to be investors, and they're going to be working their entire life. And the last thing that you want is to be working your butt off with minimal pay increases and get caught up in inflation. And then at the end of your life, you'll be sitting with so much money that you need. Right now, there's an estimate on the internet. It's about $750,000 that you need in net assets in order to retire. And so you have to just go there and work backwards and then adjust it for inflation. It's a very good question. So thanks for watching. If you're sick of your job and ready to take control of your financial situation for good, then be the first to see my latest videos. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and visit kenmcelroy.com to become a free member and access more of my content inside of my private community.